When you begin, it's always hard to start. It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose.
Hello guys, this is Eric Day from ACS Learning Hub. Welcome to my US pre-hour reading. Alright, good morning guys. Okay, good morning to all people who have just wake up and you are enjoying your breakfast with my video. Alright, thank you so much for your support. Thank you. Alright, so thank you so much for your private message as well. Okay, I have received a lot of messages giving me a lot of encouragement. Thank you. Okay, so we shall move on. Okay, what are we going to trade tonight? Okay, for me tonight, for you this morning. All right. So first of all, first thing first that we have to take note about is our this forexfactory.com. all right, let's take a look at our forexfactory.com. Can you give me my forexfactory.com? all right, okay, forexfactory.com. I need a forexfactory.com. Okay, over here. All right, and right here, okay, let's take a look on the left side. Okay, that's a quick browse. Okay, then over here we can see, just take this part, and I'm not going to talk about all the numbers. All right, a quick one. Okay, why is because I just want to show you. Okay, I just want to show you that over here. Okay, and can you see in my time GMT plus 8 is 20:30. Okay, so the first 30 minutes over here we have a high impact news. So when it comes to high impact news, remember to avoid trading. All right, avoid trading. So why is that so? It's because there may be a lot of slippage around, so it probably may not be so beneficial for retail trader. All right, okay, let's come back here. Okay, to our MT4. Okay, so now let's look at this, taking a look at this Aussie CAD today. Alright, Aussie CAD today, yes, it's still in the bear market. Okay, earlier on the first half of the Euro market, it actually retraced back to become buying. Alright, since yesterday. Okay, until now it has met the resistance over here. Alright, okay, after this resistance formed here, and it meets the resistance, and now it's turning down. Alright, it's turning down. Yes, with this H4, the strength of this H4, the transformation also turning down. Where this just 1 hour ago the H4 opens, which is quite good. All right, so bringing our Aussie CAD back to short selling. So we have about 30 pips to support level. Okay, I'm here to share with you how to trade. Is not how to trade in a way that I'm sharing how I trade. Okay, how I read the chart for the US market, but things may change. Okay, so just be careful. All right, okay, so Aussie CAD, we are meeting a resistance over here. So any trading over here, although it's still supported, but we have to be careful. We just have to be careful with this. All right, now Aussie franc. Yeah, Aussie franc today, well done. It has earlier on in this morning. Okay, my morning. Okay, all right, so we are heading downwards south, but like I said, today opening on the south, but we are very near to the support level. So at the same time, we are experiencing some support as well. So when it comes to some support over here, we just need to take care. Okay, we just need to take care of this support, whereby this support level may be very near. Now is on the support, and it hits on the support, is turning up. Am I right? So we are looking for a resistance. When it hits on the resistance, then when we are preparing for a short selling, look out for the space available until support, so that you will be able to capture the correct profit and you will not miss it. All right, okay, so Aussie yen. Now Aussie yen, let's take a look. Aussie yen. All right, so Aussie yen is one of the currency that now is moving on the bull side and turning down to become bear market. Well, today is Friday. Japan hour has already over. Okay, however, there will be still volume for Japanese yen. And in this case, right now we are on the resistance. So we are heading down to the support level. So heading down to the support level, the first one here, well, and that the actual one will be actually here, 22 pips. Okay, so in this case, now we already hit on the resistance. Okay, turning down before it hits on the resistance. That means the strength of this currency is not that strong to go long for a moment. So tentatively, what we are looking for is that two important factors. One, will there be a support to become a higher low? A higher low. If it's becoming a higher low, then it may be a danger. It may have a chance to break the resistance. But if it can break the support, all the support here and continue, all right, then I think that will be a good shot. All right, okay, so you have to be careful. Take note of all these factors. Okay, Aussie Kiwi, yes, today is good. All right, Aussie Kiwi now turning down back here. It has been supported early in the morning, and now it has turned down, and it's going down to south. So it is good. The Aussie Kiwi, although it looks good, however, we are now on the support. And again, Aussie Kiwi has already closed. So they have the market is closed. So we are prepared to have low liquidity, low volume, but high spread. So it may not be a good trade to sell. It may be good to buy. All right. Okay. Again, Aussie dollar, same thing. It has went into our bear zone. Okay, our bear zone. This bear zone, which means it's a resistance whereby it coming down for a short. But same thing, it hits on the support level, and now we are hovering around the resistance, and it's still being supported right here with my indicators here. All right. So under my system, where I can see that now they are testing on the resistance. Okay, and here in H4, the turning is showing me that seems like it's turning down for a short selling. Well, so end of the day, what I'll be looking for is that same thing until it continue to short to break the support level here. Then I will consider. If not, the space anyway, the space is so small. Okay, and the support over here, all right, around 30 pips. No, more, less than that. It's about 20 over pips. So I think probably 25 pips is still considering good. All right. So I will wait for it to short. Okay, unless it breaks the resistance continue to long, then that's a different story. Okay. Euro Aussie. Now Euro Aussie entering into the bear market, right? Into the bear zone. So this bear zone, neither here nor there. Whenever it comes to this zone, is a non-tradable space where I would not want to trade. Okay, so I do not know where it goes. Will it break up? Okay, I'm not sure. Will it come down after meeting the resistance there? I'm not sure too. Okay, so tentatively, I will not touch it. Okay, all right. So EuroCAD, let's take a look at EuroCAD. EuroCAD, we are still in the bear market, so we still have a good chance to short. However, the H4 market this morning has been supported, and all the way it has been going up for long. Now turning back because it hits on the resistance level here. Okay, and H1 here we have meet the resistance around this area. Okay, make it sharp enough for you to see. So this area, there's a resistance, and this area, there's a resistance as well. So is it a good chance to short? Yes, it is. Okay, so we can take note. But however, under my system, it has been supported. So tentatively, probably you may need to wait for it to break the support level here. Okay, when you come to this area will be a good area. Let me highlight out for you. All right. So I will be taking a note here around this area to this area. Okay, so this will be a good space for me if I want to trade. I will want to enter a trade within this area. Okay, all right. So that's EuroCAD. Okay, not for buying. Okay, definitely. Okay, not for buying. All right. So Euro Pound. Right. So Euro Pound, I have bear market here. Okay, but being supported as well. Okay, early in the morning. So now turning back, good chance Euro pound we can short. Okay, we can short the euro pound. Okay, euro pound we can short, but for short term gain only. The support is very near, and this support a bit too strong for me to handle. All right, and the space is relatively low, within 20 pips. Oh yeah, maybe. Okay, so next, I will say maybe I will want to take a look at euro yen. Is still on the bull. Okay, still on the bull run, running well. Okay, a little bit of retracement, but it's not a big hit. Well, probably it will hover around the resistance over here, unless the high impact news give it a push. All right, then they may have a change of trend. Okay, so no touch. I will not touch a euro yen for now. Okay, how about euro kiwi? Euro kiwi, yes, now on the bull, turning down for short, a retracement in the bull market. Okay, in this case here, the retracement like this, early this morning I was saying that euro kiwi you can have a short. However, it may be a short-term gain because the support is very near. Once you hit on the support, you have a great chance that it will retrace back until here. A 65 pips of space is possible. It's very possible. Okay, so yep, this is where you are looking for. Okay, so buying is possible until it hits on the support, then we go for a buy. All right. Well, euro dollar. Yes, euro dollar, we are on the, currently we are having a retracement in the bear market. Okay, so tentatively it's still going for like a, well, it's still in the bear, but tentatively there are still a lot of buying volume supporting this today's trading volume. So today, this 4 hours starting to dissolving, engulfing this previous candle. As you can see, the volume is getting lesser, reducing for buy. Okay, so we still have a chance, but also look out for the support area. Okay, now this resistance area is over here. Okay, yeah, it's over here. Can you see? Okay, so we are hitting on the resistance. So right now, what we are going for euro dollar, short-term gain to short selling. Okay, why do I say short-term gain? It's because today in general, we still have a lot of buying volume in the market. So right now we are not into like a diving. We are digging down the ground, you know, you get what I mean? So you need a lot of effort to dig off the soil, and the soil is actually the buying volume. Okay, that's what I meant. Okay, so pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie, let's take a look. Pound Aussie. Okay, pound Aussie, we are entering into the bear zone and coming for a short very soon, but I won't trade today because first thing first, pound a bit volatile. I wouldn't say volatile, but a bit it's volatile, but it's not, for the first half it's volatile, but it's not moving anywhere. It's still on the sideway, I would say. Then the price that I wanted it to go before I start trading is this area. Okay, this area. So any price between 1.8 to 1572 below, okay, I will start selling. If not, it will hit on the support, it will just go retrace back to buy. Well, I mean, it's possible, but anyway, I will want to take note of this. Okay, pound CAD. Okay, pound CAD is good again. Okay, we are still in the bear market. Okay, over here until this price here, we are still in the bear. However, being retraced back and now coming back again. H4 turning down for short, well, it's good, all right. And H1 turning down, okay, our cycle is turning down for another short, whereby you can see, all right, it actually touches this resistance area and it started to get the short selling. Well, do I still have space for pound CAD? Yes. When the US hour open, the Canadian dollar should be strong today and it will go short, all right. Okay, so generally, to sum up for pound CAD, I would say good for selling, not for buying. Okay, same thing over here for pound franc. All right, pound franc. yes, today we are still in the bear and we are hitting on the resistance and comes back in this way. But these 4 hours we have a support now, okay. So from this morning until now, okay, we get into the box here, the blue box here. Alright, so this area, good shot, managed to catch some, and now retracing backwards. So unless it hits on the resistance and retrace back for another shot, then we will sell. Alright, if not, it breaks this resistance, I think it will continue to go long. Okay, alright. So Japanese yen for pound yen, yeah, it's still in the process of turning from bull to bear. Okay, turning from bull to bear. So this may call the beginning of the bear market, but well, for me, I will not call that the beginning. I will call that the transition between bull to bear. So I would rather skip this because yen, okay, yeah, although it's still going to be very busy for yen, however, I will still give you a miss. Okay, so yep, I don't see any direction for this pound yen yet. Okay, pound kiwi. Now pound kiwi. Let's look at pound kiwi. Pound kiwi, we're looking at this. Well, it's good. Now we are heading down for a retracement from the bull market to have a short selling. And H4 is also selling right now, and H1 turning down good. It has break the support level. So break the support level. So probably you may need another retracement in 5 or 1. Then the new trigger point coming in, then you enter for a trade. Okay, and that will continue the short. Alright, since it breaks, I will continue to draw down my support to another level. Alright, this shall be the level. I still have about 40 pips to go. Okay, about 40 pips to go short selling. So pound kiwi, I will be saying that it should be selling. Alright, how about pound dollar? Pound dollar is entering to the bear, still in the processing to bear, and well, we are hitting on the resistance, and it's a good chance for now to short. Okay, these 4 hours, I think it will have a good shot. Alright, so probably, and the support level is here, so we have about 15 pips to go. After that may reach another 22. Okay, if it can break, it can go even further down. Pound dollar. Okay. Alright, so dollar cat. Okay, dollar cat. Yes, dollar cat, we are entering to the bull. Okay, so entering to the bull zone, it may go either way, so skip. Alright, well, pound franc, good. After the good shot, it has retraced back. Now let's see what's going on with this. Okay, short bear, good. Alright, but this 4 hours has been supported, so we are expecting it to go up further to meet the resistance level before it can continue the short again. Okay, alright, so dollar franc, I think probably if you want to take a risk, you can do a buy. I think the space is too small to risk. Okay, it's improper, so no. Okay, we do not want that. Well, dollar yen, good job, dollar yen. Okay, dollar yen, we have a good shot earlier on, and now retracing back with support of the transformation here. So likely it may continue the bull run. Okay, may continue the run. Okay, until here. So wow, losing about 22 pips. Okay, why not? I just wait. Okay, let me wait for a while more. Okay, all right, now. Have you subscribed to my YouTube channel? If you have not, please subscribe to my YouTube channel now. Give me a thumbs up, okay, for my US pre-hour reading, so that I will continue to do it, okay, so that all of us, we have a place, we have a platform for us to check what are we supposed to trade tonight and how to, okay, what are the things, what are the factors that we are looking out for. Alright guys, okay, I know it's pretty fast because today is Friday. For me, I will not be trading on Friday. I will stay away. I have a long weekend, and over here, so remember to stay safe, okay, And remember to click on the subscribe button again, okay? Alright, so this is everything from ACS Learning Hub. Really nice and pleased to see all of you here, and also receiving a lot of nice feedbacks that you are giving. Okay, so wonderful. Thank you so much. Okay, and I wish you good luck in your Friday night trading or Friday morning trading. Okay, see you again next week. Enjoy your weekend. This is everything from ACS Learning Hub. See you again.
It's common that you have high expectations. At first you lose when learning trading art, but don't give up, just try to have some patience. Of course you think